Ever thought of having a garden that is not only beautiful, but also provides tasty, fresh produce right at your doorstep? Welcome to the world of edible gardens, a delightful blend of aesthetics and functionality. If that piques your interest, stick around as we guide you through creating your own edible garden. The first step to creating an edible garden is selecting the perfect location. Consider a spot with generous sunlight, fertile soil, and easy access. Limited on space? Container gardening might be your game changer. Once you've picked your spot, it's time to plan your garden. A well-planned garden is a successful garden. To achieve this, consider pairing plants that thrive together and arrange them for optimal sunlight exposure. Don't forget to factor in aesthetics for a visually pleasing garden. With your plan in place, it's time to prepare your garden. Preparing your garden is a crucial step to ensure the success of your plants. Start by enriching your soil with compost for added nutrients. Remember, proper watering and pest control are key to keeping your plants healthy. Now that your garden is prepared, you're ready to plant. Now comes the exciting part, planting your garden. Start by digging a hole twice as broad as your plant's root ball. Place the plant in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill with soil and press down gently. Water generously after planting to settle the soil around the roots. As your plants grow, remember to water consistently and fertilize appropriately. With proper care, your edible garden will thrive, providing you with fresh, tasty produce and a beautiful backyard. Creating an edible garden is a rewarding endeavor that combines beauty with functionality. You've learned how to choose your location, plan, prepare, and plant. Now, it's your turn to cultivate your own garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.